Your experience of question 14 was probably fairly binary. If you got to grips with calculus, and this question is actually fairly straightforward, otherwise you probably got very little from it. In part A, we are asked to find the derivative. So we've got y equals a half x to the power 4 minus 3 over 2 x squared plus 7, and we are asked to find the derivative, or the gradient function, or whatever you want to call it, dy by dx. So that is going to be a 2x to the power 3 minus 3x. And that's it, a point for each of those. Part B is the trickier point here. We're told that the gradient of the tangent to the curve at point P is negative 10. And we're asked to use that to find the coordinates of point P. So this, remember, one of the ways you can refer to this is the gradient function. So at the point P, we know that the gradient, so this is the gradient function, 2x cubed minus 3x, we know the gradient is equal to negative 10. So we can set our gradient function equal to negative 10 and solve that for x. So we can rearrange this, and it gives you 2x cubed minus 3x plus 10 equals 0. And again, just using your polynomial tool on your calculator, you can therefore solve that to find that x equals negative 2. However, we have been asked to find the coordinates of P. So we've got minus 2. We're now going to have to use that to find the y coordinate. And to do that, we're just going to take our value here and substitute it into the original equation. And if you do that, you end up with a value of 9. So the coordinates of the point P are negative 2, 9.